What's up, guys? So I think we should do a quick one. So I was looking at the DAX index and I went on the daily, and looks like it was in a very big uptrend after this bloodbath right here. By the start of April has started pushing higher, and in May we might also expect it to go higher as well. I mean, it wouldn't hurt. You can see what this month did, this April. So May can push higher and also take liquidity from the higher highs. So when we go to the daily time frame, let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, you can see that we were in an uptrend. We can set daily fair value gap. This day, Tuesday, retraced back into it. Then you can see that it started to push back higher, which is a sign that we might be going to push higher and higher and higher. So when we go to the 2 hour, you can see that we have a liquidity point. These are the recent highs. This is the recent high, and these are also the highs, the all-time highs. So I am planning to enter a buy trade here. You might be wondering why. So you can see a sweep right here on this. This is a liquidity sweep. This is a low which was taken out. Let me remove this alert. Okay, so, and I was anticipating market to create a POI inside this price leg so that you can retrace to it, then we push higher to take out liquidity resting here. So when you go to the 1 hour, we can see that we have this is a 45-minute fair value gap. I'll go to the 45-minute. You can spot it right here, and you can see the price has respected it. And I would enter a trade right here, and you might be wondering why my stop loss is here. So this is our buy side liquidity right here. Let me mark it up so that get the context of what I'm saying. So you've got BSL, and then on the 5-minute, I can see that we've got another fair value gap, this one right here. So which means we can enter on this fair value gap and then target to push higher, which is why you can see that I'm planning to enter just probably right now and take a buy on the DAX index. Anyways, I guess that was it for this analysis. I'll make a video probably about the trade recap, and until we meet again, peace.
The next day.
What's good, guys? So I guess remember yesterday's analysis on the DAX where I wanted to buy it. So this is how the trade went. You can see it, but there's some bad news. Unfortunately, the broker didn't fill me in. I was using paper trading, but it didn't fill me in. I don't know why. I had set a buy stop somewhere around here, but then it didn't fill me in. I don't know. Is it because I set it in the hours where the market was closed? But I also don't have an explanation to that. So it pushed higher, so basically I tape read this, but I mean it would have been a good trade. So after that I saw this in the, I think it was in the start of New York, and well, we still had a bullish bias, and on the 5-minute, yeah, so and then I went on the 1-minute. We could see that we had a reaction off of this small fair value gap, and was like, okay, so this now we can enter, target this high, then a stop loss below this low. So if I would have extended the stop loss right here, would have made a good trade, I guess. It would have reached TP, even though it would have been illogical to have such a large stop loss. So basically this is the loss we took. So I managed to take this on the account, and then I was like, okay, let me tape read this, and I was like, a retracement onto this fair value gap, we will buy. But then unfortunately I was not like on the charts. I was like at my job, so I was basically writing some code. So yeah, that's why having trading as a full-time job, man, you should really thank God, because imagine missing out on entries like this. I mean, they are good ones. This is a good entry. I mean, it will take just minutes. Look at this, just 50 minutes. The ideal trade I would like to take, but I mean, I can't hate that. I mean, it's part of the process. So this will make me free, financially free, time free, and then I will be able to trade full time and then be on the charts when I want to be and be off the charts when I want to be. So basically, well, because I think I'll be on the charts maybe for a few hours in the London session and a few hours in the PM session. So basically that was all. So you can see that the trade we took was a good one. What I wanted to show you basically was this trade, this one right here, that it turned out well. And yeah, yes, that was all. And until we make another trade analysis or another backtesting video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be safe.